Rush, Miss Warner here. Here's our song of the day.
Trees, we love trees. Trees, we love trees.
I love trees, and I'm sure you guys love trees too because they remind me of nature. And I am headed out today to look at some of those trees and check out the sunshine and the blue skies and the trees. Got my hat on, my rain jacket, my water bottle. I talked to you last week about an activity we're doing called Flat 14ers. I noticed a few of you have been to the website and checked it out. When you go to the main specials page and over to my blog, and then you go to the right hand side and there's a page that says Flat 14ers. Pick out a mountain that fits for you. There's a short distance, medium, and a long distance. You can print the page, or you can make the little bar graph with the same number of boxes that are on the web page. This one is Mount Crestone, a 14er that I have not done yet. And so I'm doing a virtual climb of it. And each time I go out, I mark the number of squares that I got done on my walk that day. For every 400 steps, if you're using a pedometer or Fitbit, you can mark off a box, or 1,000 feet. So you can measure off a course in your neighborhood and just walk the same course over and over and mark your boxes. Or you can go to a bigger space like a park or a trail and use your Fitbit and measure that. When you get all done with your virtual climb, shoot me an email, says I finished this mountain, and I'll add your name to our summit shout out list. Kind of recognize you for being active and sticking with it. This week's lessons are about health, how to be healthy. We're talking about exercise, and we're also talking about nutrition and types of water, how to drink enough water every day. When I went to the grocery store, I tried to find this. This is my breakfast food cereal choice. Couldn't find any. They were off the shelves, and I had to get this one, which I thought was going to be okay. When I got them home, I was looking at my old box and looking at the new box, and you go on the side and read the labels where it says sugar. This one had 18 grams of sugar. This one had 12 grams of sugar. So I was right in thinking this one is a little bit healthier for me. So we're working on that. If you're having trouble cutting back on your sugar, we all need to limit as much sugar as we can. Here's a little tip. Buy 3 boxes of the good one of the sugary one. Kind of mix a little bit of that sugary stuff in with your good stuff. So as you're trying to kind of cut back on your sugar, you still get some little bits and pieces of the yummy stuff and then the rest of the good stuff. Also on our blog this week is some lessons on nutrition. Take that same cereal box and we're going to do some locomotor relays with that cereal box. So the front cover, cut it out, draw some lines on there that look like puzzle pieces. This one has 10 pieces. Then I'm going to cut it out in your driveway or down in your basement. You can do your own puzzle relay. We've all been doing a lot of puzzles where we're stuck inside. Put all the pieces at one end, start at the other, try a locomotor move like maybe a side slide or grapevine or skip. Pick up one piece at a time, bring it back to your pile until you've got all the pieces transferred, and then see how quickly you can put together your puzzle. You can make more than one puzzle, have some races with your family members, just be active. Remember to get outside, start working on your flat 14ers, do good stuff for your body, good exercise, good food, drink lots of water. We'll talk to you next week.